Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check your Moodle version. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to a preferred web browser. Once you are in the browser, navigate to Moodle site of your school. After you are in the Moodle site of your school, you'll be prompted to the login page. You can now log in using your username and your password. You can log in according to your role as well. Enter your username, password and log into your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to the dashboard of your accounts. Now we need to go to the home section. Click on home. Once you are on the home, you can scroll it down. And over here, it shows that the Moodle site of your school is running on the LMS 4.4 version. So it is showing the version of Moodle site of our school. In your account, it will show the Moodle version of your school. It might be different as well. So that's it. That's how you can check your Moodle version. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.